Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to answer the question how you can easily switch between the ANC on transparency mode in your application itself. So as you can see here, we do have our application, which is called the NothingX, and here we can manage ANC and transparency mode in this application. As you can see below our headphones and in name, we have noise cancellation. We have transparency off and noise cancellation. Here below noise cancellation we can set it to adaptive, high, mid or low. With transparency mode, you just have the transparency. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.